Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. This is Betty, owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. And I am just jumping on here very quickly before I head to work to show you a new digital that I created. It's kind of a spin on one of the other digitals, but I just wanted to bring it on here and show it to you real quick. This is the Antique Rose Loaded Pockets. And there's four pages, 4 pockets included in the kit. There's this one here that's kind of got like the dusty rose, the old vintage looking roses, and then some of like the coffee dyed paper type. So there's that page. And then we have this one here. It's like an antique rose wallpaper. And then there's this blue one. And so what I've done is I kind of brought elements into the different pieces. And then we have this one. So this kit is 4 different pockets. So here's what the pockets look like once they're put together. And obviously you can do a lot more with them than what I've done here. But you can make this into a pocket when you put it into your book. You can glue it down on 3 sides and then you'd have a pocket back there too. You do have a tab, you have a label that you can put on there. I just took the faux wax seal and put it on top of that butterfly there. I just sewed down one side of that tag and then I sewed around the little journal card. And so there's that one. And this one, I just kind of put the tab up there. I put the butterfly here. And I just stuck this stuff down in the pocket. And then on the journal card, I done some straight stitch and some zigzag stitch. But there's that one. And then we have this one here. And so I just put the butterfly there, stuck this stuff down in the pocket for now. I done some of the straight stitch and zigzag around the tag and the journal card. And then we have this one. And so I put it back there with a piece of doily, stuck that down in the pocket, just sewed around the journal card and sewed around the tag. And so there's what that kit looks like when it is put together. Now the other kit I want to show you, I've already got it cut out. The different pieces, and I don't have anything made yet, but this it's been in my shop for a couple of days now. This is Aviva, and Aviva means spring, dew, so that's why it just looked very springy to me. So you get 4 of these full color full pages. So you have this one and this one, and I love the way it just, I don't know, each element kind of just like pops up off the page, and I love that. And there's the 3rd page, and then the 4th page. And then you get 4 pages of, it's like the double journal pages, so that when you put it in your journal, it would be like that. So we have that one. Oh, I got them all mixed up here. So there's that one. And then you have this one here. This beautiful one. And then this one. And then you also get 4 pages that are like a double page, but I have lines on them. And again, would make great journal pages. So there's that one. And then we have this one here. And this one right here. And then this one. So those are the main pages. So there are a total of 12 full pages. And I have already cut the ephemera and stuff out. So, and I didn't have another one printed, but I'll just show you. And I've already inked it up because I was getting ready to make something. And I was like, well, let me just show it to them. So you get 3 envelopes with it. And I made sure that whenever I designed it, when you fold that flap up, that is the right way up. So these are the 3 envelopes that come with the kit. You get 2 of the little seed packs or coin envelopes. You get some large journal cards, and you get some of these tabs here. Then you get some of the pockets. You get 2 of these pockets. There are 3 tags. And then there's some, I think there's 3 small journal cards. And then there's a total of 4 of the tabs. And then you get like a random mix of labels and stuff. So this is the Aviva Kit. And I will leave links to both of these in the description box below. This one is already for sale in my Etsy. And then probably by the time this one uploads, by the time the video uploads, oh, I'm sorry, I'm reaching. I apologize because I did want to show you one other one while I'm thinking about it. But by the time the video uploads, the antique rose loaded pockets will be in there. Let me show you the other one really quick. I've already kind of showed you some of it, but I did not show you this one. So this one is the Less Roses little mini book. And let me show you mine that I put together. So there's my little book. And I just took some of the little labels that came with it and put in there, and then I used my little baby paper clips to put it in on the side. And then here's one of the little envelopes that came with it, and I've got some of the little journal cards stuck down in there, another one of the labels there. This I made into a little it's a tuck. I've got some of the little, and I took one of the pages and I kind of ripped it and made a pocket, and I've got the little tag stuck down behind there. This I think is one of the little envelopes or something that I've done with the little paper clip. Another little number label. Again, I done a little tuck right there and just tucked some of the little journal cards down into it. The other side piece of that paper that I tore and made a pocket and stuck some of the little tags down in it. So that's the Less Roses mini book. And so here this is. So this is your front and your inside. This is one of the envelopes and some little tags. These are your pages. And then this is your page of ephemera. So I will actually be linking all 3 kits below. So we now have, what, 3 mini books in the shop. So yes, I'm excited. I'm working on more because, you know, I think that just looks so cute. Just, you know, but I need to, I don't know. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. Especially this one because I took the time to like embellish it. So I'm really loving it. But anyway, guys, remember, go over, grab yours. So we have the Antique Rose Loaded Pockets. We have the Less Roses mini book. And then we have the Aviva Kit. So anyway, guys, I got to go to work. It was good to talk to you guys for a second time today. And I will see y'all in the morning. Bye, guys.